It was first time seeing it, I ain't gonna lie. So, next thing I want to show off is the lights I want to do for the car. So these lights I picked up off my other SI. They have a nice little LED strip in them, and they're angel-eyed. I'm gonna pop them out and look at them and see how they look and see if I really like them or not. I sanded them down and cleared myself. I brought the stuff back out to re-clear and redo them, but I don't know if I'm gonna do them or not. While I got the time out here, I'm trying to bust these coils loose that I bought. That I used for my other car when I put the Skunk 2s in. I had these left over. I'm trying to pop them loose real quick. If I can get them loose, then go ahead and throw them on the other red SI and get the bumper and fender home and sand it down and reprime it and throw like one layer of paint on there just so it doesn't, you know, fuck it up or whatever. But stay tuned. So on camera they don't look as bad, but if you when you get up close, oh boy. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should redo them or just go with them. I kind of want to redo them, at least one of them. I don't know, man. I want to run them though. I want to run them. I want some new headlights when I have on there. Pretty cloudy, and I want something new. Yeah. So I've been trying to crack these loose. Nothing's been happening. These are the 33-way adjustable. They're not as low as the coils I got on now, but they're going the other SI. I'm gonna start getting that ready so I can slap the motor in that and get that one going. I was in a house board. I want to come out here and at least do something. Not really anything out here for me to do, so I either might try to get these cracked loose or work on these headlights. I don't know. I could get them put in tonight, but I might have to move the cars around and see if my sister's gonna stay or whatever. But I want to run these. They got the LED strip, nice LED strip. That would be nice. And then they have the angel eye, and projector light. Oh, so nice. And I already know there's probably LEDs in there. If not, I got a pair of LEDs in my other red SI. Not the other one we're gonna work on, but my other red SI out there in the front. We'll take those LEDs out of there and put them in there. And the headlights that I have in my black car that I'm gonna take these out for, I'm gonna put those in back in my other red SI. So yeah, yeah, I don't really know what to do. I think I'm gonna try to sand them down one more time, re-clear them one more time, and then if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You know what I'm saying? Long story short, just trying my hardest to make my car as clean as possible. Try to get the dent pulled out as soon as possible, but I don't know. And I'm trying to get these amongst these. Got some PP blaster on those, and then I got four sets of rares. We'll try them all out, see which ones aren't blowing out for the right one. So long story short, we'll get over there and I'll lift it up, take the header and exhaust off, and caddy that for this car. I'm going turbo soon, but you know, stay tuned for the video. All right, so I've been getting questions about what I do now. So I just changed out all these filters. All these filters just got changed out for this oven. So I've been doing a couple HVAC jobs here and there, but a little basic job. Get it all cleaned up, and that's done. clear it out. We're gonna bounce up out of here. Oh wait. And we're on the roof, by the way. You guys can't realize. Got everything stacked about here. These are all sorts of equipment right there on the roof. So, just picked up a brand new radiator. Let me get this one here real quick. Picked up a brand new radiator. Also, I picked up. I also picked up a new radiator cap with a new filler. This is a Coil Rad filler, and then this is just a Skunk 2 radiator cap, and I have the Skunk 2 Alpha A Alpha. I paid $160 for I think I paid $160 for everything: the cap, the filler, and the radiator. All together, probably like $350, $400. I think I paid $160. Yeah, I got a good deal on it. Yeah, it's pretty mint. I got the turbo kit right here, ready to go on. Got the Rev 9 custom turbo kit, Rev 9 intercooler, Rev 9 piping. I'm probably gonna go with DC5 Creations titanium piping and see what that gets me. I gotta clean this shit up once I can get before I get it on. I've had it for a few months. I haven't really did anything to it yet. But yeah, picked up the radiator because it's pretty clean, good next to the cooler. This will look really good next to the cooler, so be a nice move. And I bought all this for. I don't know if you can see it. It's out there though. You can't really see it. What's up, Bella? Alright, so I might be pulling the rear bumper and redoing it. I'm gonna take a look at it and see which part of the body kit really needs it the most. It might be this front part right here. Could be this fix right here. The bumper's pretty fucked. It's a little fucked back here, and it's gonna part down right here too. I just want to fix that. It's fine on that side. Or pull this one off. I had to fix that. That's no good. Coming right off. Don't mind the rest. It's not that bad, but front's fine. Front's not really coming off. Just that rear. It's right here. I don't fuck with that. I don't fuck with that. Just two bolts. That bolt right there. That bolt right there. And then I got a couple zip ties over here. A couple zip ties on the bottom. But might just get pulled off to redo it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's cold out today. I'm trying to heat up a little bit, and then I'll go from there. Shut the garage door, heat up here for a little bit, and then we'll go from there, honestly.